Okay, let's see. This is baby 3 and 5, 2 and 1, and big sisters Molly and Daisy. It's funny, the babies already have their own little clique, and they don't want their sisters near them, so it's strange that at such a young age they already can be aggressive towards other birdies, but they're not in their same clutch. Oh, that's good. Hey there, handsome. Scratching his chin. Hello there. That's Molly. Hi, Molly. Hi. There's the baby. Hi. Are you going to try flying? There they are, the big ones.